guys, it's Claire. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a koi fish painting. So let's get right to the video. So I don't usually do paintings like this on my channel, but today I'm just going to be doing a little painting tutorial. So the canvas I'm using is much bigger than I usually use when I'm painting. The size painting that I'm using for this project is a 20 by 16 size canvas. So the first thing I'm going to do to start off this painting is I'm going in with some blue chalk and drawing in my fish. So I'm drawing both of my fish and they're in a circle together, almost in like a yin-yang pose. But you can put your fish in any position that you would like them to be in. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm starting on the background, and these are the colors I'm using. I'll pop up on the screen what the names of them are, but honestly, you can make your water whatever color you want. It can be similar, it can be different, it doesn't really matter, but if you wanted to know, I will put them up on the screen for you guys. So what I'm doing first is I'm going around my fish and I'm totally covering the canvas in this sort of green teal blue color. Also make sure to paint the sides of your canvas because it just looks a lot better once you've finished your painting. Usually when I'm making a painting, I don't go around whatever is in the painting. I usually just do the whole background and then add the things on top. But for this painting, I just thought it would be easier to go around the fish. Now for the next part, this is what's going to actually make the water look like water. So I'm grabbing some light blue and I'm going in and I'm adding little streaks of blue around the fish. And basically just going around in the way that their body is and stuff. And I go in with lighter blue and darker blue, basically all around the fish's body. Then I'm going into the middle and all around and just adding all of these streaks everywhere else. They can start branching off where the water is going in different positions. And I also added some white in there for the highlights and stuff. But basically just adding all of these little water streaks over the whole entire canvas. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to cover the fish's body entirely with white paint. And also at the ends of their fins, I added kind of some streaks of white paint, and it just has a really cool effect. Now I'm going in with some orange colors of any shade that you want, and I'm going to add in the fish's spots. So here I am, and I'm kind of doing these wavy spots. I also did have to blow dry this. It's kind of hard to do this when you still have white paint because the white paint's going to make the orange a lighter color, so wait till your white paint is all the way dry. So I'm just adding these little dots and marks wherever I want them, really. They almost look like cow spots to me, and I'm just adding them wherever I want. For the fish's fins, I added a light gray with a really thin paintbrush, and I just added a bunch of lines through it, and then went over top with a white color to blend it all out. So I'm just continuing working on that, and next thing I'm going to do is I'm working on the fish's eyes and their little whiskers. So for the eyes, what I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit of black on the sides of their heads. And then I also did go and do another coat of the orange just so it is more vibrant. Here is the final painting. This painting actually wasn't that hard to do at all, and it was really fun too, and I really like the way that it turned out. I think it looks super pretty. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial video. If it helped and you want me to do something like this again, please put that in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And make sure to click the notification bell so you see whenever my new videos release. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!